How to create a user in SureCam View. Customers can use this guide to help create a user in SureCam View. Start by navigating to Configuration from the left-hand menu. This is where you manage system settings and user access. Click Add User to create a new user and assign their role and permissions. Enter the new user's first and last name to begin building their profile. Next, type in an email address. Open the Role Assignment menu to define what this team member can access and manage. Set the account's role to user, driver, or admin. If they are not an admin, assign a location to the vehicle. Once you are done creating the user, invite them to join the platform. You have officially created your first user in SureCam View